Hey guys, Tal here. In this video, we will install VSatellite. It's a remote arm for our certificate manager platform that allows us to run discovery and automation for your local resources. To start, I will ask you to check the installation procedures and specifically system requirements. You will see that we will need one of those virtual Linux machines with following requirements. If you're planning to install it on Red Hat or Oracle, there's some additional consideration you need to follow to install additional packages. All right, so let's go to Amazon and let's launch new instance. I will give it a name and I will select Ubuntu. 2 virtual CPU, 4 gig memory. So this is what I will choose. The key pair, and I will select existing security group, and I will give it 15 gig just to make sure we completely satisfy requirements. So we have our instance here. Let's give it a couple more moments. Now that connection is enabled, so let's connect to the instance. And here we go, a completely fresh Ubuntu instance. To start with install, I will navigate now to my tenant. I have first VSatellite installed, so I'm going to install the second one. Here on this screen, it will take me through 3 steps that we're going to follow. The first step, we will download setup. The second step, we will run pre-flight check. And we will see that everything is satisfied, no error. Now we at the third step, we just copy this command and we will paste it in Ubuntu server. Now, one thing to mention, it's if I want to create a replica of existing VSatellite to make them operate as a cluster, I will say that it's going to be replica for the primary VSatellite that I already have in my environment. This is how I will set a secondary VSatellite. So in my case, I want to have it additional one. I will go and paste this command. And you can see that I will need to approve agreement. And now installation will start. The process takes around 1 minute, even less. And as a part of this process, we will download all needed software modules. We will install it on the machine, and we will also register this VSatellite into our tenant. Here we go, installation almost done. And I get back installation completed successfully. At this point, I will go back to my tenant and I will click on test connection. If everything is okay, you see that connection was successful. I click on done and I see here a new VSatellite installed into my tenant. Now that we have VSatellite in place, we can give it an appropriate name. And then we can also use it for our discovery job. So if I will go and create enhanced discovery, I will call it AWS segment. I have an option to select which VSatellite will pick up this job. And then you will set the ports that you want to scan and IP range. So this is how we install VSatellite, and this is how we use it in our environment. Thank you for watching. See you on my next video.